Now for display. Display type. Screen size. Screen to body ratio. Display resolution. Display density. Refresh rate. Display protection. Now for design. Thickness, height, width, weight, back protection, dust and water resistant. Now for camera. Back camera video recording. Selfie camera. Now for battery. Fast charging. Charging speed. Now for performance. Chipset. CPU performance. Graphic processing unit. Operating system. Now for storage. RAM memory. Internal storage. Memory card slot. Analog sensors. Let's go for connectivity. USB type. NFC. Bluetooth. Now for sound. Headphone jack. Now for price. Specs score. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.